Welcome to this tutorial on how to use eToro Crypto, a popular platform for buying, selling, and trading cryptocurrencies. To get started, you need to create an account on the eToro website or mobile app. Fill out the registration form with your personal details, and verify your account through the link sent to your email address. Once your account is verified, you need to deposit funds to start trading. eToro supports various payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, and bank transfers. Choose your preferred payment method and follow the instructions to complete the deposit process. After depositing funds, you can start exploring the eToro platform. The dashboard displays a list of available cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. You can browse through the list, or use the search bar to find a specific cryptocurrency. To buy a cryptocurrency, click on the Buy button next to it, and enter the amount you want to invest. You can also set a stop loss and take profit levels to limit your potential losses and lock in profits. eToro also offers a feature called copy trading, which allows you to replicate the trades of experienced investors. In addition to buying and selling cryptocurrencies, eToro also offers a range of other features, including a virtual portfolio, which allows you to practice trading with fake money, and a news feed, which keeps you up to date with the latest market news and trends. To withdraw your funds, go to the withdrawal section and follow the instructions to complete the process. eToro charges a small fee for withdrawals, which varies depending on the payment method you use. Some best practices to keep in mind when using eToro Crypto include starting with a small investment, diversifying your portfolio, and keeping your account secure with a strong password and two-factor authentication. It is also important to stay informed about market trends and news, and to set realistic expectations for your investments. In conclusion, eToro Crypto is a user-friendly platform that makes it easy to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can start trading cryptocurrencies with confidence and take advantage of the many features and tools that eToro has to offer. Remember to always prioritize risk management and to seek advice from a financial expert if you are unsure about any aspect of trading cryptocurrencies.